Hello everyone and welcome back to Scramble. In this video I will be showing you my whole cube collection as per mid 2021. So let's start. Let's actually start with the N by N puzzles, and from the N by N puzzles I am actually starting with the 5 by 5s. So this is actually my first 5 by 5 and I actually don't even know from what company it is. I think it's from Fangzin, but I actually don't know. I had actually bought a combo of 2x2 and 3x3 and 4x4 and 5x5, and this cube actually pops a lot, as you actually saw now. The JP Pum algorithm was actually so hard to do on this cube. So that's why I actually got the Yushin Cloud 5x5. This one is actually great, but has a lot of pops. As I actually don't do 5x5 much, I actually don't even care of it. If I actually was interested a lot in 5x5, I would care a lot and bought the MGC, but I actually don't do, so I got this one. So now let's actually go with the 4x4. This is actually my first 4x4 and it's actually from the unknown company. I actually don't even know it. This is actually a quite nice 4x4, but actually pops a lot, which I actually don't like, and I actually don't like assembling a 4x4. So that's why I got the Meilong 4x4. This is the non-magnetic. You also get the Meilong 4M, which is actually quite nice. This is actually so nice that you actually don't even need a great 4x4 like the Aosu WRM. This is actually the best 4x4 in my opinion, non-magnetic on my opinion. This is actually amazing. And now for 3x3s, I have actually a lot of 3x3s in my collection. So let's actually start with the non-speed cubes, or the cubes which I actually don't use. So this is actually my first 3x3. You might be thinking that it wasn't actually in my last collection video. So the answer is that I couldn't find it, and when I actually find it, it was a week or two ago, and this was actually completely broken. So I actually just applied some super glue and then fixed it. So that's why it's actually in the plastic wrap. Then I actually have this one. As I said that I had bought a combo, this was there in it. This is actually a great cube, but I won't actually recommend you this one because this is actually not from Chigi or Moyu again. But still, it's actually a really nice cube. I actually like it, but never use it. So now let's actually go with the Chi Warrior W, my first speed cube. Really great, but I actually won't recommend you if you're actually a beginner, cause it's actually extremely hard to set up. Out of the box, it was a lot tight, actually very tight and very dry too, so I actually won't recommend you. And I actually forgot to show you this one, my Avenger cube, which is actually not a speed cube, but actually turns great. I can do a JB pump on it for about 1 or 2 seconds, but actually locks a lot, but as it's a sticker mod, I actually don't care about it. So here I have now the Yushin Little Magic, the best budget cube in my opinion, but non-magnetic. But I actually want to recommend you getting the stickered version, cause the stickers will actually peel off and it will actually give you a hard time putting the stickers back. But still, it's actually a really nice cube. My best time on this cube was about 18 seconds. This is actually quite nice. So now let's actually go with all the magnetic cubes. So the first magnetic cube which I have is the Chi MS. This is actually a really nice cube at just the price of $6.99. It's actually nice. And if you actually want a budget cube which can be customized, you should actually go for the RS3M 2020 because that's actually the cube which has customization. Next up, I have the MS3V1 Enhanced. This is actually my main and it's actually very nice. So this has actually got the center to edge magnet too, which actually makes it a lot stable. And in my review I said that I liked it on the third setting, but now actually I like it on the first one, and I changed the core and all the parts. Next up, which is the last 3x3, I have the GAN iCarry, the latest smart cube from GAN, and I actually just received a week ago, and it's actually also a really nice 3x3. I actually also have the Zilong Mini, which is actually a 50 cm 3x3 and is actually quite nice for its size. This is actually also magnetic, and I actually also have a review on it. Now let's actually go with all the 2x2s. So this is actually my first 2x2, and as I said while showing my 5x5, I got a combo and this was actually included with it. Actually a great cube, but you will actually not find it everywhere because I actually also don't remember the shop where I got it. And it's actually a nice non-magnetic cube. Then I have the Dian Tinguin M 2x2, a very nice 2x2 from Dian. It was actually released in 2019, and yes, a very nice 2x2 from Dian. As we are done with all the N-Band puzzles, as you can see I have got a lot of N-Band puzzles. Now let's actually head on to all the side events. Starting off with Pyramix. This is actually my first Pyramix. This should actually be a Chi Chiming Pyramix, but I actually had ordered it from Amazon, and at that time actually I didn't know of Cubelelo, I actually also was a beginner at that time, but my friend told that it was actually a fun event, fun puzzle, so I actually just got it. And this is actually a really bad puzzle, keep on popping, and very effort. You have to actually apply a lot of effort to turn this. And then I actually have the Chi MS Pyramix. Again, as the GAN iCarry, I got it a week ago and I also did unboxing. This is actually a really nice Pyramix, and actually can be a best Pyramix on the market in my opinion, cause I actually haven't tried the GAN Pyramix or the X-Men Bell V2. But still it's actually my best Pyramix and also my main. Now let's actually go with the other two puzzles which I actually have. Other three puzzles. So this one is actually the Usual Little Magic Square one. This is actually a magnetic one and actually is a quite nice square one. I actually solved it 15 times. I actually don't remember, but I actually like solving this one. But it's actually a lot of it takes me a lot of time. About an hour it took me for the first time to solve it. And then I actually have the Chi Keygens cube. Really nice cube from Chi, but actually sometimes while speed solving I was doing races with a friend, it just popped, which I actually don't like. Because of that pop I actually got a DNF, but still it's actually a really nice cube for beginners. If you are actually not a beginner, you are very good at this cube, I recommend you get the Moyu Oyan or the GAN cube because they are the best cubes on the market. For the final side by sides, I have the Chi Keygens Megamix. Has got terrible ridges which I actually don't like. These are actually for the gripping on this cube, but I actually don't even care about it because I actually don't do Megamix much, because it takes me around 5 minutes to solve it, which I actually don't like, and my hands start paining and I even get a lot of bored. So now let's actually go with all the side events. Starting off with mirror, this is my first mirror and it has a broken corner piece. I actually also fixed it when I found it, but it actually just came off again, which I actually didn't even got time to put it back. So that's actually why I never put that piece back. I actually did it 2 times, but it actually kept on falling, so I never did it. So I actually also have another mirror, which is a cheap mirror, which is actually extremely nice and turns actually also great. It was actually quite looped out of the box, and as you know that these pieces come off and the loop will actually come on your hands and it will actually become very oily. So I will actually recommend you that you actually do some turns so the loop gets spread. And then I actually have this axis cube. I actually never solved it, but I actually would just assemble it cause it is actually extremely hard to solve this puzzle. This can't even move at some ends. I actually am trying to learn it, but never learn it. Then I actually have this one, my favorite shape mod in my collection. This is actually the banana cube. I actually have also learned all the algorithms of this cube, and it's actually a lot of fun solving it. It's actually just a 2x2x3, just converted into the shape of banana, which is actually quite nice. There are actually also the dinosaur puzzles on Cubelelo, so I might try it some days later. So finally, the last cube on my collection is the void cube. So I actually just received some days back, and this is actually doesn't turn really great, pops a lot, means all these corners and edges come off, which I actually don't like. And one time what happened, I was solving and the cube completely popped, so I actually had to reassemble it, and it took me a day, means around 12 hours assembling it. So that's actually quite hard. So as we are actually done with all the puzzles or cubes in my collection, I've actually shifted them back cause I couldn't actually fit all of my accessories in here, so that's actually the reason. So let's actually start with all the small accessories. I actually have got a ton of drawstrings bags. I have actually 2 GAN bags, never used them. I also got 3, I don't know where's my, okay, it's here only. I got 3 Cubelelo bags, which is actually extremely soft. They're actually softer than the GAN bags. And my last bag is actually the MS Cube, which actually came with my MS 3v1. And then I actually have a ton of Cubelelo cube stands. I actually have a Cubelelo black, yellow, green. I actually have a ton of. I actually got 3 of orange, actually 4 orange, 4 of green, 1 blue, and I actually also have this MS Cube, which actually again came with my MS Cube. I actually also have a YJ's cube stand, which is actually a DIY. It's actually in the box of YJ Zilong Mini. It came with me Zilong Mini. And for loops, I actually have only the Velocity. I also had the Cubelelo Swift, which just got over in some days. I actually will be buying some new loops later. And I actually also have some cube covers. I actually have 2 of those because this one actually just got torn. I actually ordered this one, but I actually need to stick it from here and it just broke. And for the last 2 accessories, I have this timer. This is actually the YJ timer. I also have it in the grey color, but it actually never works, never starts. So that's the reason I got this one. This one actually turns very great. So it works very great. And for the last exercise, I actually have mats. So this one is actually the Moyu mat. I used to use this in all of my videos, but I actually now don't, cause I prefer the white background more than this one. And the last mat which I actually have is the Cubelelo mini mat. This is actually a really nice mat. Never did the review of it, so I'm actually doing it now, a short review. Very nice. This is the Holi limited edition. Holi is a festival in India. and it was actually unlimited. It was only for around a week and then it got discontinued. I actually got it and it's actually a really nice in comparison to the Moyu mat. As you can see, it doesn't has these borders at the end. So as you can see, I've actually tried fitting every cube and accessories in the frame, and below the cube covers here are my all the pouches. So I actually now have a lot of puzzles in my collection, and these are above 26 puzzles, which is actually quite nice. So yes, that's it for my cube collection video of May 2021. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe my video. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon. So thanks for watching and goodbye. I'll meet you in my next video and stay tuned for my future videos.